For this episode, you can create your own birthday party invitation by using these ideas. This is our first template. So you will need a one portrait and one landscape picture, and it is better if your photo shoot also looks like this. Better to copy the background color of the sample photo so it will suit the theme. You can also use these invitation wording ideas such as "we're having a party and celebrate with us." Or you can change it if you want. In the lower part, all you need is to put the time, date, and place of your birthday celebration. We also prepare other colors for you to choose. We also have our second template where it looks simpler but elegant. You just need one landscape picture and the details of your birthday celebration just like in the sample. And again, we prepare different colors. So that's it for today's episode. We will also include the fonts that we used in the description box so you can apply it. Just download the link below to get your templates. We are also offering a service if you want to get the exact design or layout of this invitation. Just message us in our email. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more templates.